Everyone talking about wool by commodity. The notes in this are Mandarin, grapefruit, apple, basil, fresh ozone, cedar, lavandin, armoise, amber, Haitian vetiver, gray musk, and bourbon vanilla. I don't think it smells bad by any means, but to me it smells a lot less high quality than most other commodity fragrances. To me, this smells more like it would be like, a masculine, more affordable designer cologne. Not that commodity is like crazy expensive, but it's a bit, higher end than like a cheap designer. Or like this smells kind of more, yeah, just generic masculine designer. People sometimes compare it to Le Male, and I can totally see that by Jean Paul Gaultier. Again, I don't think it smells bad, so I don't mean these things to mean like, oh, and it sucks because it smells like a designer. Just that, yeah, I just don't think it should be priced at what it was. This is discontinued now anyway, but yeah, also, I don't get wool out of this, like, at all, and most other people that I saw of reviews said the exact same thing. I would have expected for wool to be like cashmere and vanilla, maybe some sandalwood kind of combo or something. But yeah, so overall to me, this smells perfectly fine, and like I would not mind smelling it on someone else or anything, but it just doesn't fit the concept at all, and it isn't unique either. So I wouldn't recommend going out of the way to try it. It does have good longevity, but projections on the lower end. I will link in the description where, as of recording this, Sephora still has the archive kit of this where they sell samples of it.